Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your home for the hottest gear reviews, grilling tips, and backyard barbecue essentials. In today's video, we're firing up the top 3 best pellet grills in 2025, perfect for anyone who wants that rich wood-fired flavor with the ease of modern tech. From smart temperature controls to heavy-duty builds and mouth-watering performance, these pellet grills are the best of the best for this grilling season. Meat on bone, whether you're a weekend warrior, a backyard pit master, or just getting started, we've got the perfect pick to match your cooking style and budget. So grab your tongs, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's fire up the countdown of the best pellet grills in 2025. Want me to include brand names or tailor it more for beginners or pro grillers? Let me know. Number 3, Oklahoma Joe's Rider 900 DLX. The Oklahoma Joe's Rider 900 DLX is a versatile pellet grill built for serious backyard chefs, offering over 900 square inches of total cooking space. Plenty of room for multiple briskets, racks of ribs, or large-scale smoking projects. Its design includes a high-torque power-feed auger, pit control 2.0 dual-sensor temperature management, and a unique smoke-to-sear lever that allows seamless switching from low-end slow smoking at 200 degrees Fahrenheit to direct searing above 650 degrees Fahrenheit on a cast-iron grate. Add in the quick-draw pellet hopper system, which lets you swap out or empty pellets in seconds, and you've got a grill that combines functionality and convenience for both beginners and experienced pitmasters. However, despite its strong feature set and competitive price point, the Rider 900 DLX has drawn criticism for inconsistent temperature control and some quality concerns, especially in earlier production runs. Reports of temperature overshooting targets, hot spots, peeling paint near the firepot, and auger jams have led to mixed user experiences. While many owners praise its flexibility and solid grilling power, others have struggled with reliability. If you're considering the Rider DLX, it's wise to ensure you're getting a newer unit with firmware updates and to verify warranty support in case performance issues arise. Overall, it's a powerful and feature-rich smoker with great potential, but buyer caution is warranted. Number 2, Traeger Ironwood. The Traeger Ironwood delivers a premium grilling experience with impressive technology and performance. Featuring Traeger's D2 direct drive system, it ensures precise temperature control from 165 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining consistency within plus or minus 12 degrees Fahrenheit. The TRU convection system and downdraft exhaust work together to circulate heat and smoke efficiently across the grill's spacious cooking area, up to 885 square inches on the larger model. For low-end slow barbecue enthusiasts, the Super Smoke mode intensifies smoke output at lower temperatures, ideal for dishes like ribs and brisket. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and control your cook remotely via the Traeger app, adjusting temperatures, checking pellet levels, or following guided recipes with ease. However, the Ironwood does come with a few trade-offs. It's a large, premium-priced unit, making it less ideal for small patios or tighter budgets. While it includes smart features and solid construction, some users feel the natural smoke flavor is milder than that from traditional offset smokers, prompting many to use smoke tubes for a bolder result. Additionally, only one meat probe is included, and the built-in temperature gauge may not always be accurate. Minor issues like paint peeling over time, especially if the grill is left uncovered, are also worth noting. Overall, the Ironwood is a feature-rich, high-performance pellet grill perfect for home cooks who value convenience, control, and versatility. Number 1, Rectech Xfire 825. The Rectech Xfire Pro 825 sets a new benchmark in pellet grills by delivering both traditional low-end slow smoking and extremely high-temperature searing in one unit. With 2 dedicated fire pots, including a direct flame side controlled via adaptive sear control, it reaches temperatures up to 1,250 degrees Fahrenheit, making it capable of gas-style grilling and even firing pizzas on a steel surface. Rectech. Featuring 842 in superscript 2 of cooking space, Wi-Fi control, dual meat probes, and a heavy-duty stainless steel build, the Xfire feels premium at every touch. It accommodates large batches, think up to 6 pork butts or well over a dozen burgers, while giving traditional pellet cookers a run for their money in versatility. Rectech. Bon appetit. Despite its innovations, the Xfire isn't without trade-offs. Users on Reddit flagged concerns about cleanup, calling it a nightmare to keep clean, due to ash buildup and grease residue from the open flame system. Rectech Pellet Grill Forum. Heat distribution can also be uneven. In smoke mode, the left side tends to run significantly hotter than the right, sometimes by over 30 degrees Fahrenheit, although both sides do trend together. Cookout News. Still, for grillers transitioning from gas or charcoal who want one machine that can smoke ribs and sear steaks alike, the Rectech X-Fire Pro 825 is a compelling powerhouse, so long as you're prepared for a bit of extra maintenance. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.